Hi, welcome to the Big Bear Homestead. And today we're going to be doing a homeschool science project. Hi, I'm Jason from the Big Bear Homestead. And today we're going to join Ladessa in one of her homeschool science projects. Now, normally, we like to bring you guys videos on stuff that we're doing on the homestead, whether it's moving a pig pen, a recycling project, gardening project. Well, unfortunately, today we are just getting hammered once again by some rain. To the point where when we were running out and doing the morning chores this morning, we literally got soaked to the bone. So it's not great weather to be trying to drag a camera out and filming in it. So on days like this, we kind of like to pull back inside and catch up on some science projects. Now, the science curriculum that we use is the Apologia science curriculum. The project that we're going to be doing is coming out of the Astronomy book, and it has to deal with Mars and volcanoes. But I'm going to let Ladessa tell you all about it. Take it away, Dessa.
Hi, my name is Ladessa with the Big Bear Homestead. And today I will be talking about Mars. So in my astronomy, I was learning about Mars. So they were talking about the hills and valleys, and volcanoes came up. And there is the biggest volcano in the solar system on Mars. But of course, that one's extinct. And that's pretty boring. So we're going to build one that explodes. Okay, so we're about to mix all of our ingredients so that way we can see this thing explode. But it's not really going to explode. It's just going to foam over. But before we get into anything, we are going to put on safety gear. I have my trusty assistant, Carol, to help me. And we are going to put on our safety gear and start mixing.
What are your ingredients?
My ingredients are water, vinegar, just a little bit of dish soap, baking soda, and a teaspoon. Okay, so we're going to get our funnel. Carol, hold that for me, please. We are going to put in the water first.
Hold on a second. Do it only a little bit at a time because we're only supposed to fill it halfway. Okay. Right, now let me look. A little bit left. Put just a little bit more in. Yeah, that's good. Right, now move to the dish soap.
Soap.
The baking powder.
Baking powder. How many?
Like 2 tablespoons.
Okay, so we're going to add 2 tablespoons.
Teaspoons, sorry.
Teaspoons of...
Not through the funnel.
Not through the funnel, but we're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder into the baking soda, sorry. Careful. Okay. I'm afraid as soon as we add the vinegar, it's going to explode. Okay. Then we're going to add our dish soap. Do we know how much is in this or no?
Let me do the pouring.
Now, why are you adding the dish soap?
Why are we adding the dish soap?
Chemical reaction.
Chemical reaction.
For so it to bubble.
Okay.
Now.
Can I do this? Oh!
See, look how it's bubbling.
And look at the pink coming out. I think we're supposed to add more. go.
There you go. Good job, Dessa.
And there's your chemical reaction.
Dare you to touch it.
No.
Do it one more time. Up so we can see the chemical reaction. Oh, well, guess it's out of fuel now.
There was my science experiment. Wasn't that cool? It's still finishing up, bubbling over, but after that, we did get a pan so that way it wouldn't go all over the table, because Mom would kill us. Just putting that out there. But that was fun. I'm gonna thank Carol for helping me out, and thanks for coming along and doing this with me.
All right, guys. Well, there it is. Our homeschool science project, a volcano on, what was it, Jupiter? Saturn?
Mars!
Mars. Okay. You sure one Uranus? No? Pluto?
Where's the book?
Anyway, guys.
Go study!
You want to say goodbye or you want me to say goodbye?
Thanks for stopping by the Big Bear Homestead, and like always,
You're getting some. Thanks for coming by the Big Bear Homestead. God bless. And like always,
have a nice day.